This video is how to stake Solana on Binance. They actually use a token called BNSOL, as you can see here. And this is a liquid staking token. I'll explain what that is and how to go ahead and stake Solana in this video. So the first thing is we need to come to Binance Earn. So the Earn platform right here, and you can see the overview. You can scroll down to BNSOL if you want and then just press subscribe. It's going to take you through to the same page as this one right here. If you go to Simple Earn and then SOL Staking. You can see ETH staking and SOL staking here. We'll click SOL staking for now, and it goes through to Binance SOL staking. So what we're doing here is we're using Binance to stake Solana for us. They go over to the Solana network, they stake it there, they earn the staking rewards, and then they pass the staking rewards back to us. And I think they take a small fee for that as well, maybe 10% of the staking rewards. And we receive, as a receipt for what we're doing, BNSOL. And it's called a liquid staking token. So this token essentially is a representation of the Solana that you staked plus the staking rewards. So it's 1-for-1 with Solana, the price of Solana, plus any staking rewards on top. Now, what happens to this liquid staking token, this receipt essentially, is that it goes up in relation to the value of SOL, because SOL isn't staked, and so it isn't earning any rewards. And so the ratio just increases each year as the staking rewards flow into that token. And you can see that for right now, 1 BNSOL is actually worth 1.01 SOL. That means that 1% APY or 1% yield has actually been accrued to BNSOL already. So when you swap your SOL for BNSOL, you should get slightly less BNSOL. But to be sure, it represents 1-for-1 the Solana that you staked plus any staking rewards. So you go in, you wait for a while, and then when you take out, you'll get the exact amount of Solana back that you staked plus any staking rewards on top. Now, because it's 1-for-1 with SOL, the total value of your asset can go up or down, right? So if you get 8% over a year in staking rewards and Solana drops 50%, you're obviously still down overall, although you will have outperformed the SOL token. If it's up, then you're up 50% plus the staking rewards on top. And this token we can actually use in different ways on Binance. In terms of we can take loans against it, we can actually trade out of it as well, because it's just a token that we can trade. So I'll show you how to do that. So for now, what we're going to do, you can come and read this, but it's essentially staking Solana using Binance. We're not using the blockchain or anything, and it's centralized on the Binance platform. So what we're going to do is press stake SOL right here. And you just need an amount of SOL that you can stake. So press any amount that you have here, and then you receive BNSOL. And you should see that the exchange rate makes it that BNSOL, the amount that you have, is slightly less than the amount of SOL that you put in, but that doesn't matter. It's still 1-for-1 with the value that you have. You can see the conversion ratio here. And the reference APR as of making this video is 8% a year. So if you held for a year, you would have the same amount of SOL plus 8%, although this does change over time. So each day, the amount of rewards actually fluctuates. And so they're just making it an APR, like a yearly figure now, but this could change wildly. It could go up, could go down over time. And you want to make sure that you have read the terms and conditions, because there may be a few days before you stake and then the rewards start accruing. You can see that it's actually 2 days. So if I staked today, it would actually take 2 days to start accruing the staking rewards. So as long as you're happy with the terms and conditions there, you can take your SOL, that swaps it into BNSOL, and that BNSOL goes straight into your spot account. So you have 1-for-1 with SOL plus any staking rewards that accrue over time. If you have BNSOL in your Binance account and you want to redeem it and turn it back into normal SOL tokens, maybe because you want to use those SOL tokens in your wallet as gas or something, you want to send it to yourself, then you can redeem. It turns the BNSOL back into normal Solana tokens. So we go to redeem here, choose the amount of BNSOL that you have in your spot account, and then it's just going to tell you how much you receive. There's no fees here or anything like that. But of course, BNSOL should get more expensive in relation to SOL over time as the staking rewards accrue. So you should see that the amount of SOL you get back is less than the amount of BNSOL that you have. But don't worry, the value is exactly the same. You still get the exact same amount that you staked plus the staking rewards back. So you can just redeem the amount of BNSOL back into SOL in your account. You can see the conversion ratio here. This is going to change over time as the BNSOL token accrues value in relation to its SOL holdings. That doesn't matter. There's a conversion rate, and you can just swap it back. There's no fees here or anything. Just check the product rules as well. It may take a few days to actually redeem that. You can see up to 4 days, and you won't receive any staking rewards during that time. Because BNSOL is a liquid staking token, we can actually trade it and use it just like any other token, which means we can just go to the spot market and buy it and sell it. We don't need to stake and then redeem. If you want to get out very quickly, you can just take your BNSOL and trade it in the market. So what we're going to do is go to the spot market right here. Up in the top, I'm going to search for BNSOL. And you can see that there are two markets right here. You have BNSOL against SOL tokens and then BNSOL against USDT. So let's trade it against USDT. You can see there is a price here. This is a newly listed token, so there's not much price history. But essentially what's happening here is, so the BNSOL that you have has a value because it's 1 SOL plus a staking rewards. So whatever that value is at the time, you can literally just trade right out of it. If you want to buy it directly and sell it directly, you can do that right within the spot market. You can also go over to the SOL token and trade it against SOL. And this will be an exchange rate between them, right? So 1.01. As we can see, what will happen here is BNSOL will essentially just go up by a little bit each and every day because it's accruing the staking rewards that the SOL token isn't. So the exchange rate between them will change, right? So you can just buy and sell straight in and out. If you don't want to wait to redeem, just buy and sell and trade it just like any other token. If you don't want your BNSOL tokens on the Binance centralized exchange, or if you want to use them in DeFi across Solana, which there are many opportunities there, you can do so. You can actually just withdraw it from the platform. So I am in the withdraw screen here. I've got BNSOL and I've just got my Solana address right here. You're going to send it out on the Solana network, and then you can choose the amount that you withdraw. That's going to withdraw it from the Binance exchange into any other wallet that you have on the Solana network. You then have BNSOL there. It's going to still have these staking rewards no matter what, because the token that you hold represents the amount of SOL and the staking rewards that it's getting. So as long as you own that token, either in your Binance account or in your own DeFi wallet, if you want to take self-custody, this will always represent that amount of SOL plus the staking rewards. So you can hold it in your wallet and you keep getting the staking rewards as well. And you can either use it in Solana DeFi or just have it in your wallet sitting there. But it's SOL plus the staking rewards no matter where you own it. So if you want to withdraw it to your own wallet, you can do. Just go and withdraw it from the Binance platform just like any other token. BNSOL is also a supported asset within Binance Loans, so we can use it as collateral to borrow against. So we go to more and then loans here, borrow now, and then go to the collateral here, and we want to choose BNSOL. There are many assets that are supported. BNSOL is one of them. So if you have SOL anyway, why not get the staking rewards to try and reduce some of the interest that you're paying? So that's why people use these stake tokens as well. I've got a complete video on Binance Loans if you want to know how to use that and some of the pros and cons and the risks as well with obviously taking loans. That's up to the individual, but you can use this asset across the Binance platform in many different ways.